Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I wanted to use the Bite Beauty foundation again because it's so pretty and I miss it. If you're new here, it broke me out when I was using it like every day for a long time. But I'm like, what if I don't use it every single day? What if I just use it every once in a while, you know? So I'm going to use it today because I love it and I miss it and it's so beautiful. So yeah, with that being said, let's start with the face. Going in with my Ole Henriksen facial water. Oh, stuff smells so good. Smells like oranges. I love it. I'm going in now with my Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen. And now I'm just taking my Banana Bright Face Primer by Ole Henriksen. I feel like I haven't put makeup on since like Thursday, and it is Tuesday. Taking my Kaja Beauty Catnap Under Eye Brightener. And I'm just blending that in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. Now I'm going in with my Hourglass Vanish Concealer. Now, I haven't used this in so long and it's so pretty. It's so full still, like, oh my god. I think it's the coconut in here that was breaking my skin out. My skin is really reactive towards rose essence or coconut, I've found so far, so I don't use any products with rose in them. Like I used the Fresh moisturizer one time and I got like a huge itchy rash down here. It was like really not good, so I stopped using that and I returned it like the next day. I am going to take the foundation. Oh, what am I doing? I really did forget how to do my makeup. I usually put on bronzer next. Okay, I know I've been using the Tower 28 bronzer like almost every video, but I really do like it. And I really think it would be pretty with this foundation. Okay, maybe I'll just use the Fenty bronzer. I really want to use Tower 28 though. Like super bad. Like really bad. Like, I think it's my favorite bronzer. It's just so fucking pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna swear this video, you guys. I'm gonna try my best, okay? It's like a second language to me, so it's gonna be pretty freaking hard, but I'm gonna try. Oh, you guys, these bronzers are so pretty, like I just have to use it. Oh. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, I'm just gonna use it this video and then my next video I'll use something else, but I need to use this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take my Love of My Life Tower 28 bronzer. Wow, I just held that super odd. Tower 28 West Coast Bronzino. The actual Love of My Life. And take it on this little, this is like a mini beauty blender. And just go on in. Now I'm going to take my Bite Beauty foundation in the shade L20. The one thing I don't like about the packaging is that there's no pump. Like, I don't know how much I need. I just need one pump normally. So now I'm just splooshed a bunch out, but okay, I'm taking it on my sponge here. And I'm just going to kind of spread it around because I put a lot on. Oh my god, already. And it smells so good. I feel like if I use the foundation like once a week, maybe, it'll be fine. Like when I was using this, okay, it's definitely been over 2 months then because of quarantine, but like I was wearing this every day when I went to work because it was so pretty, but I had to stop. If you guys don't have super sensitive skin, I 100% recommend this foundation. It is so stunning. It's literally like the perfect amount of coverage, the perfect amount of like the perfect finish. It's perfect. I'm gonna pop on my eyebrows. I will be right back. Okay, my eyebrows are on. Oh, really close there. Going back in with my Tower 28 Beauty bronzer and Bronzino. Okay, there's the bronzer on that side. It's so pretty. I love the way that it looks. It's just like such a natural, perfect, luminizing bronzer, and I love it. I love it. Okay, my bronzer is on. Now we can, oh, my face is kind of itchy. I wonder if that would be the foundation. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. I'm gonna go in with my, actually I want to do blush first. I'm taking my Fenty Freestyle Cream Blush and Petal Poppin'. And I'm just taking it on the tip of the beauty sponge here. I'm going to apply the highlighter with my fingers. So I'm taking my Kaja Mochi Glow highlight and I'm taking it on my ring finger. And I'm just going to massage it into my hand to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then here we go. I'm going to set my under eyes using my Hourglass Veil setting powder. I think I'm going to do like a fun peachy kind of look. I've got my Subculture palette. I have not used this in so long, so I kind of want to try it. I know that it has fallout, so I'm kind of like, why didn't you think about this first and then do your eyes first? But I think I was just so excited with the Bite Beauty foundation. I was like, let me just put this all over my face right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with Subculture. It is super pretty. So yeah, let's jump into it. Here's I'm going to take Dawn, which is this one right here. Oh god, this one right here, and put that all over my lids. Now, I think I'm gonna go in. Oh my god, there's so much kickback. It is crazy. What went wrong with this palette? It is a freaking nightmare, honestly. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with New Wave, which is this one right here. This kind of like orangey one. Peachy orangey tone. And, oh, I didn't clean my brushes. Okay, I'm gonna take this NYX 16 brush. Wow, is this like my new favorite eyeshadow? I think it might be. That is such a pretty combination. Oh my god. I am loving this so far. I'm going to go in now with Roxy. This one right here. And I think I'm going to pack that onto the lid. See what happens. Okay, so I'm taking this on a MAC 217S brush. Oh my god, it looks like a beautiful sunset or something. It's so pretty. This might be like my favorite eyeshadow I might have ever done in my whole life. And I'm not even done yet. It looks so pretty. Damn. Wow, I love the way this is looking so far. What the heck? Look how nicely it's blending out. Like, it looks really pretty. That New Wave shadow is super pretty. I think I'm gonna be using that like a lot. So I'm taking Dawn. Okay, now I'm taking New Wave. Now I'm going back in with Roxy. I never really smoke at the bottom so much, but I love these colors together, so that's what happened there. I don't think I'm gonna add a shimmer. I think I'm gonna keep it matte. When do I ever do a matte look? Not often, my people. Maybe I'll throw on a wing though. That might look nice. I always say that and then I regret it. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I'm taking my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner and we're gonna attempt a wing, okay? I'm gonna try to keep it little and small and cute, but she might just get blown out. So it really just depends on if my hands want to work the way that my mind is picturing all of this. Okay, shut the fuck up and let's do it. Have we achieved a small little cute wing? Is that what's going on here? I'm gonna pop on my eyelashes and my mascara. I will be right back. You know what? I actually decided I'll show you guys how I do my put my eyelashes on because I haven't shown you in quite a while. So basically, I put my glue onto my little palette here. Put it on the back of your hand if you need to. And then I take a little tiny eyeliner brush, one that I don't really care about. This is a Sigma small angle brush. I have like a bunch of these, so I just took one and was like, I'll use this. You take the glue onto your little brush, and then you apply it to your lash line as you would apply liner. And then you wait a couple of seconds and you plop the eyelash on and you're good to go. She is not coming off ever until you take your makeup off later. But it's like, this is how I've been doing my eyelashes for months now. Like I will link the video where I talked about it for the first time because I saw Desi Perkins do it and then she saw someone else do it, but I can't remember who that person was, but I'll link the video if you want a more in-depth speech of how I put my eyelashes on. Anyway, so I take the glue on this little brush and then we go in and apply it to the lash line. And honestly, you get it on your eyelashes sometimes, but it comes off eventually. Some days I get a perfect seamless application and other days I get it on my eyelashes a little bit, but it comes off. You just have to be gentle when you're removing your makeup. Go slow while you're learning how to do this or like getting the hang of it, and then you can just plop it on and you're good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little tweezers here, picking up my eyelash. You ready for this magic? I swear to God. Voila, and she's on. It's so easy, you guys. Like, honestly, this is, I can't believe I never did it this way. There we go. They are on and they are not going anywhere. Let me tell you that. It is it is my favorite way to put on eyelashes, and once I can start working on clients again, you best believe that's the way I'm going to be putting on their eyelashes. Because it doesn't budge, dude. I'll give it a few minutes and then we'll curl them. But, okay, let's put on some lip products. Okay, let me try to find a lipstick that will look good with this. Should we dare create a lip color? I'm just gonna mix a couple of the nudes together and see what the heck happens, because why not, dude? Okay, I'm mixing this one here and this one right here. That's pretty. I like it. Okay, that's the color I got. Okay, now I'm just taking on this little Real Techniques lip brush. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Is that not the most stunning lip color ever? What the hell? I'm gonna set my face. Oh wait, I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick. But you see these lashes, dude? Like, they're not going anywhere. That tip is amazing. Setting my face with some e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. And there we have it, everybody. I'm gonna just take off this lipstick here because I'm gonna get it everywhere if I don't. Alright, you guys, this is today's final look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. I, quite frankly, am obsessed with the way that this turned out. When I think subculture, I don't really think like oranges, like I don't really think warm, bright fun shades. My mind goes to like greens and darker shades, but I'm so happy that I pulled this out and created this fun little orange sunsetty eye look. I think it looks so cute. I will definitely be pulling out this palette. Ooh, I'm definitely going to be pulling out this palette. Like, now that I'm like thinking about it, I'm like, damn, there's going to be some really fun looks that I can hopefully create with this palette. It just looks, I forgot how nice it was. But yeah, I love the way that this look turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something new, or you were like, oh, maybe I can pull out some old palettes that I have lying around as well and create some fun looks with them. I will have all of the products I used today listed in the description box down below, along with my Instagram handle, and I'll also have the video that I originally filmed about my eyelash application trick. I'm so sad that I can't use this every single day because it is such a pretty foundation. Once again, if you don't have sensitive skin issues or anything like that, I highly recommend this foundation. It wears super well all day long. Like, it doesn't, the only issue I have with it is that it breaks me out. So if you don't really break out from certain products, I would definitely pick up this foundation. It is absolutely stunning. That is it for me here today, you guys. Thank you once again so much for watching my video. I hope that you are doing well. Bye.